Hey guys, let's work today on areas of squares, rectangles, and parallelograms. So you're going to need to make sure you have your wonderful reference sheet either printed out or in kind of like on another screen in front of you so that you can use it. Now we're going to start with this first one. You want to see what shape is it. In this case, this is a parallelogram. So we're going to come and it says that the formula for a parallelogram is equal to area equals base times height. So I'm going to write that area equals base times height. Now little base just means basically the bottom. So in this case, our bottom is 7.7. Now let's figure out what our height is. Our height is how tall something is. That is 2. So we're going to plug this into our formula here. Area equals 7.7 times 2. So when I put 7.7 times 2 in my calculator, and sorry, let me type that in. It's going to get us 15.4. And notice it's meters, and we do an area, so it's squared. All right, here we go. Next one, number 2. Let's figure out what shape this is. This is a square, or we can call it a rectangle because a rectangle is a square. I'm going to use the rectangle formula. Area equals length times width. Okay, so let's label. We have our length is equal to 1. Our width is equal to 1. So in our formula, we're going to plug it in here. Area is equal to 1 times 1. So 1 times 1 is equal to 1. I'm going to get my unit out here, inches and squared, because we're looking at area. All right, next one, we have a rectangle. In our formula sheet, a rectangle, the area is equal to length times width for a rectangle. So let's label our length and our width. Length equals 6.9. Our width equals 2.4. I'm going to put in a calculator here. Area is equal to 6.9 times 2.4. So 6.9 times 2.4. All right. Here we go. That gives us 16.54 inches squared. What I want you to do for the rest of these, I want you to work through them. Use your formula sheet, and then I want you to turn this in for me.